Today we're making my Frito Pie Casserole inspired by my childhood memories and perfected for weeknight dinners.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
We'll start by adding 2 to 3 pounds of ground beef to a pan. I'm using 2 pounds today. You want to break it up and let it brown. While the meat is still slightly pink, we'll drain the grease so the finished casserole isn't greasy. Toss in half of a diced onion and cook until the meat is brown and the onions are fragrant. Time to season. We'll add salt and pepper to taste, then add 3 minced garlic cloves and give it a quick stir. Now you've got 2 choices, the easy route. 1 packet of McCormick Chili seasoning, or you can add your own seasoning. 2 tablespoons of chili seasoning plus 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon of basil. Stir to combine. Next, add about 1.5 to 2 cups of beef broth or water if you don't have the broth. Bring to a light simmer, then cover and cook on low for 10 minutes. Once done, set aside temporarily. Now grab a baking dish. Today I'm using a medium-sized one, but you can use a standard size. Spray the dish with oil for easy cleanup. We're going to start with a layer of refried beans. I've already heated and mashed these a bit in a splash of oil for easier spreading. Next, a layer of our beef mixture, a layer of diced tomatoes, followed by a generous layer of shredded cheddar cheese. You want to shred your own for the best melt. Then a layer of Fritos. Drop spoonfuls of refried beans as another layer. Add more beef, more tomatoes, more cheese, and more Fritos. For the final layer, repeat beans, beef, tomatoes, cheese, Fritos, and finish with extra cheese on top. Now bake uncovered at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Once done, we're ready to dress it up with toppings. Let's add some fresh diced tomatoes, some green onions, followed by some sliced black olives. And if you don't like any of these toppings, of course you can eliminate them and add your favorite. We're gonna also add jalapenos. Pickled jalapenos give that concession stand vibe, but you can skip them if you like milder heat. Finish with a drizzle of Mexican crema, which is the table cream versus the sour cream. It's lighter than sour cream and adds a tangy creaminess. Here's what it looks like before I serve a piece. It's creamy, crunchy, savory, and so easy to make. It's also perfect for your school team parties. Delicious, cozy, and kid-friendly. This Frito Pie Casserole brings those concession stand memories home. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you give it a try.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.